3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, today on the SoCraftastic and Phoenix show, we are going to be testing reusable diamond painting art. Technically, it's called the DIY Beads pen. A lot of fun. Don't forget, it's a lot of fun. What do you think? It's marketed toward people ages 5+. However, I have about 30 years on that, and I will not lie to you. Diamond painting is way too much for me. I don't have the patience for it. Throwback to something I did a long time ago that I never finished. So many of you absolutely loved that video. I don't even know if any of you are still watching because you wanted me to do more diamond dots, or they did. If you want to see the piece finished, because a lot of people had actually asked me over the years, it is finished, but my mom did it because she thought it would be fun. And then I think she said that her shoulder hurt for a little while. She didn't do it all in one day, but here are the results. Dun, dun, dun. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! I think it came out pretty cool. Here it is in all its glory. I don't know if she logged how many hours it took her, but I'm sure it was a lot. Thank you, Mom, for making this possible, because I sure as heck would never have done it. Over the years, I have tested so many different craft kits, and it's helped me to learn which things I enjoy personally and which I don't really ever want to try again. But the cool thing is you get to decide based on what you see if the craft kit is worth your money, your time, your effort, your life, basically part of your life, not your whole life. If you spent your entire life making these, I mean, that would not be very fun. The plan was to try 2 of these because they are fairly affordable, which I will link below my Amazon affiliate link if you're interested in trying them out. I thought I was getting 2 different ones. It turns out I got 2 of the same. So later on in the video, if you want to learn how to enter the giveaway to win the kit that I have not opened, let's do that, because what am I going to do with 2 of these? Without further ado, let's bird. Now, without further ado, let's get on into testing this kit. Okay, let's open it up, which I actually already did and ripped the side here, the corner. Specifications, colors, and contents may vary from illustrations. They better not. Here we go. Here is what it looks like inside. We have 2 pretty princesses. They are bendy, silicone. Stephanie, if you are watching, I know you love pink so much, so this one's you. Love you. But girl, you actually have a bigger crown than I do. Now I have to rethink this, and you have a belt. Maybe I want to be the purple princess after all. Her Majesty the Royal Queen, which is me. Then we have Princess Stephanie. And then we have a dinosaur, which is pink with, why does it only have 1 magenta spike? I would definitely have put 2 in the design instead of 3 yellow. Ooh, then we have a bow. I absolutely love bows. This would make a really cute necklace. Maybe. Actually, hey, wait, shameless self-promo. If you do like bow necklaces, I actually made my own bow charms. Well, I didn't make them, but I designed them based on a drawing and artwork that I have done, and I got them manufactured, and then I turned them into jewelry. So check out my online shop if you are interested, please. Then there is a butterfly. This one's really pretty. I like the color combo on this one. A layer cake, a rainbow with clouds, a flower, and a heart. Last but not least, there is this unicorn. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Comment below which one is your favorite. And then in addition to the 10 can buy, we have 6 diamond painting pens. This first pen that I pulled out, which is a MAGIC bead pen. No, I bet it will be really cool. I know that this is marketed toward 5+, okay? I understand that. I'm just trying to have a little bit of fun opening it. These 2 here have different color hair. I didn't realize at first. There's only a black bead pen. Miss Brown Hair is gonna have to have black beads in her hair. Wow, that went in really quick and easy. Are these dots actually black? They are, but somehow, maybe I'm not so upset anymore. I've only put in 3 of these and I'm already addicted. How about taking them out? Oh, you just kind of bend it. Okay, no, 1 came out. The second one won't come out. You see how impatient I am? Come on. Got it. Let's try to get this one. Go. Almost, almost. There we go. Here are the 6 bead pens. Pink, purple, aqua, yellow, blue, and black. Pastel pink. This one is pastel purple. They have these little Mickey ears on top. A light minty green color, aqua, yellow, light blue, and black, as I mentioned. Do they all look like they have the same amount of beads? It looks like the black has the most. I could be wrong. I'm gonna try to set these up because my hands are just a little bit too small to hold them all up like this, firmly and straight. I'm not used to working with this many cylinders at once, okay? Holding up the black and pink next to each other, they look fairly equal. I don't know, it kind of looks like the black might have a few more, which is interesting because there are only 2 of these, which really would call for the black to be used if you want to match. Let's go ahead and start with the heart, which looks like it's the easiest one aside from the dinosaur, but the dinosaur has more colors. The heart only has 2, and I'm gonna see how quick I can do this. Let's get the iPhone timer. It'll be a few seconds off because I am filming and I'm by myself and everything right now. Start, and here we go. All right, so we're starting with the aqua. And 1, 2. Oh, I love this. Oh. Seriously? I have the whole middle done in less than 20 seconds. Okay, moving on to the pink. This is really fun. I'm not kidding. Am I just super easily amused? I'm easily amused, yet impatient and easily bored. I don't know what that says about me. Okay. Now it's getting a little bit, like, whiplashy because I'm doing it so quickly. Okay, come on, come on. Can I do this in under a minute? No, I can't. Well, like, maybe if I tried harder, but we're at 55. Shoot. No. Did a bead fall away? Roll away? Done. Okay. It was at like 101. If I really focused, I could have done this entire heart in less than a minute, but barely. So maybe that should be the challenge, to take this out and see if I can do it in less than a minute. One of them flew away. Yes, I did it. I did it. Under a minute. Here's what the heart looks like completely filled in with the magic beads. When you want to restart, you can go ahead and bend it. And they're only I was like, they're only coming out one at a time. No, they do come out. Uh-oh, you guys can't have these. You'll just eat them. And I said you guys because Phoenix has a sister named Muse. She's bird watching. All the ones from the middle came out really easily, but kind of have to work. I feel like if I would have timed this, it probably takes longer to get them out than it does to actually fill the thing. The reusable part is, the reusable portion is kind of difficult. So I've gotten a little bit over half out and I'm still going. I feel like little kids eventually would be able to get them all out, and that would probably add to the playability time. As an impatient adult, I kind of don't even want to do the reusable part. I kind of just want to make them all and then just leave them in, but I have to do this for the content. No, I really did want to test it out though. This could be either a positive or a negative, a pro or a con. Oh gosh, that was stupid. We just lost one. Oh, I see it, and it might be going in my cat's stomach in a second. No, buddy, here, let me have it. All right. And I still have 10 left in here. I just flung across the room. I don't even have the patience to get the rest of those out right now. That could be a plus for people who really love to kind of fidget with things. And for those of you who love to organize, after you take all the beads out, if you use different colors, you have to go and pick the pink ones out, for example, and sort them. When I was a kid, I loved sorting beads, like pony beads and stuff, and just sorting everything that I could I thought that it was a lot of fun. I don't mind sorting things now either. And then once you have all of them, you can refill the bead pen by unscrewing the lid here, the tip, and then carefully putting them all back in like so. And then putting the tip back on firmly and securely with some twists. That was a very high twist. So then repeat the process for the other color, which I'm doing now. And instead of picking them up one by one, I'm going to try to just do the little dustpan into my hand here. And I got them all without dropping any. Wait a minute, oops. Accidentally, that wasn't supposed to happen. The whole tip came off of that one. So it looks like you can unscrew the tip and then you can unscrew under the tip, which I don't know what the reasoning for that is. Maybe if they get clogged. So there's this one getting refilled now, and they should be ready to go again. And since I have this box here, which also comes with little stickers, double-sided maybe, you could turn them into stickers by putting this on the back and then peeling the layer off, but for some reason it's not peeling off. Wait, no. I can't get it at all. Wait, oh my gosh. They are for double-sided stickers. Oh my gosh, they're actually really sticky. It's like goop. So now that I've ruined this one though, I wonder, you know, how well it sticks. So let's see if it would stick to the box. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Well, I mean, I don't know how long it would stick, but it sticks nonetheless. Now, what the heck color am I gonna use for the clouds when I don't have white? There's 6 colors. I would have to put black in the cloud. Okay, I don't like that. I feel like there definitely needs to be more of a color selection. That's one of my biggest gripes about this, I think. Maybe the only one. Why don't I go ahead and do the rainbow? So we'll start with the pink. Wait, I don't have red. What the heck? Extremely satisfying to pop the beads in. Not thrilled that I don't have the correct colors to go in here. So what am I gonna do for red? Another thing of pink? I'm just gonna skip the red. We're gonna go to yellow. I like the noise that it makes too. Are we gonna do purple for the red or just more pinks? I guess we'll do blue for the bottom. That looks fine. Oh, I wonder if you can actually pop it in without the pen. Yeah, definitely. Oh shoot, the yellow one came out. That looks cute. Oh no, oh no, oh no. One of the blue ones came out. That looks very cute. I think I'm gonna just do more pink for the red. I don't like it. That ruins it. Purple would have looked worse. Yeah, I hate that. Let's create some chaos and use black for the white spots. That actually looks kind of cool, but it doesn't look like clouds. It looks like dragon fruit, I think. So there we have the rainbow. Wait, why is there a random one over here? I lost it earlier. I lost another one! Before we get into the final reveal of the 10 completed designs, here is some satisfying time-lapse footage of me working on a few of the little tiny diamond paintings. Also remember to stay tuned for information on how to enter the giveaway in just a few minutes. overview of all 10 little teeny tiny diamond painting canvases complete. As you can see, for some of them I matched the colors, and others I did mismatching and kind of did a little variety. Now, the reason I actually went outside of the box and put black on pink for the bow, for example, is because there actually were not enough pink and purple to completely match everything. This is probably because the princesses' dresses are so large, they take a lot of beads. But it turned out being really cool in the end. And yeah, you can see though, look at this bead pen. There are actually only 2 pink beads left. And maybe I lost a couple because some rolled away, but yeah, there's not many purple. And then the other colors do have a few more. So yeah, I feel like they should have just put a few more of the pink and purple just in case people wanted to match the colors. But overall, this was a fun project and I think it was worth the money. If you want to win this DIY beads pen craft kit, here's what you have to do to enter. I would like you to please leave 2 different comments, one here on this video and one on my previous video. For the comment on this video, simply tell me which one of the creations is your favorite and then that you're entering. The other video to comment on is the Crayola eraser maker. And in that one, tell me your favorite eraser, describe it, and also say that you're entering the giveaway. Bonus points if you vote on the next craft kit I should do, and those choices are in the Crayola eraser maker video. I didn't script this, okay? So hopefully that's clear. Everything will be written in the description box below. It would be very, very, very helpful if you had an Instagram or Facebook, because you are gonna have to share your mailing information privately, the one person who does win. Thank you so much if you enter and for watching, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not seen my other craft kit testing videos and you're interested in those, I'm gonna link them in the description box below as well as in the iCard up in the corner. I'll see you very soon in my next video and have a great rest of the day. Bye. Come here. You can't just stand over there like a weirdo. Yeah. Hi. This. Yeah. Wow. Is that a blue jay? Seriously? Can you come back another time, sir? Or ma'am? Now, they're getting louder. Dude, are you bringing your friends?